Today, we will demonstrate the installation of CleanEdge modules. Their sleek design prevents water and dust buildup, reduces maintenance, and provides a more efficient energy solution. Before opening the packaging, ensure it is intact, with no deformation or damage. Opening the packaging, 2 people are needed. One holds the packaging with one hand, and the other lifts the module from the back to remove it. Before installation, check if there are any cracks on the glass surface. If there are any issues, please report them to Gstar. Check that the junction box is free from adhesive peeling or looseness. Handle with both hands on the sides, glass surface up. The module back has a grounding installation hole with grounding mark. CleanEdge modules support hole and clamp installation. Hole installation. Prepare the accessories and tools according to the installation list. The mounting holes located at 1/4 of the long sides. Align the module mounting holes with the bracket mounting holes and secure them with bolts. Clamp installation. Prepare the accessories and tools according to the installation list. Compared to standard clamps, CleanEdge clamps feature an EPDM pad at the contact point to protect the module glass. Place the end clamp on the module edge, align with the rail, and tighten the bolt securely. The tightening torque should be 15 to 20 Newton-meters. Place the second module snugly against the first, insert the mid-clamp between them, secure it to the rail with a bolt, and ensure both modules are firmly fixed. With simple and efficient installation, our CleanEdge modules provide a long-term stable energy solution.